Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the red color, enable button on, adjust the photo, and then select the text option, edit by data, select the size option, adjust the size, select the font option, adjust the font, select the text option, edit by data, select the size option, adjust the size, select the font option, adjust the font. Copy the letter, set the copy option. Change the color, set the color option. Adjust the color. Save the letter, set the save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Then copy the shape, select the copy option. Adjust the shape. Change the background, set the color option. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.